Hello, my name is Juan Esteban Forero Jimenez. I am 19 years old and I study at UPTC. Today I will talk about my routine and the things that I like and don't like to do. Every day I get up very early because I like to take the day early and to do my homework quickly. Then I organize my space like room because I like to keep everything very clean and neat. I also like to organize to whole house because I feel I like better space and environment. After that, take about and organize myself very well, or because I like to be awake and organized. Then I have breakfast, finish doing my thing, and is done to study juiciously. I like to study in the morning because I feel that those things much faster. I like to play music when I do my works units because it makes me more active. When I arrive in afternoon, I make I make lunch to car to car to care of my mom and my siblings since they study and work outside the house. Then in the afternoon I like to rest from studying, although I don't like to be alone and die at home since I get bored. I also do I also don't like when it cold or rainy weather because my house is very cold. Lastly, at night, I have dinner. What I don't like is not eat all because I could not spell well.